Hey, you're here again, and this is the purple view. You guys know what purple signifies, right? We're talking inspiration, imagination, luxury, good taste, and originality. Purple view. Now, for first time viewers, this is generally about the built environment. We're talking anything building, architecture, interior design, landscape design, building codes, environmental issues, anything building. Now today's video is a very interesting one. It's a special edition. This is indeed purple. Now, did you know that potted plants or interior gardening goes beyond just the visual aesthetic? It goes beyond interior design and interior decoration. It's actually healthier for you. Now today's video is about bringing the outside in, the benefits for the love of indoor plants. Now before I continue this talk, I'd like to give you a visual on of examples of what I'm talking about. So just stand by. Some potted plants in the office environment, as you can see. Yeah. Okay. The pictures are not so professional, but I hope you bear with me. Okay, that's another potted plant, as you can see. Then we go again. There you go. That's another one. Another example. Okay, then there's another one here. Okay. Okay. We're back again. Sorry about that video, but just to give you an idea of samples of potted plants. And like I was saying before, these go beyond just interior decoration. Now they're actually healthier for you. I'm going to give you 7 benefits of potted plants that you may not be aware of. Now, when the architect says that you need, or the interior designer says that you need to adorn your space with some potted plants, you have to look beyond just the visual aesthetic. It's actually healthy. So number 1, it actually reduces stress. It does. Now there was studies have been done. In fact, there was a study where there were people behind the PC, and then there were people in the garden, trimming and doing gardening. The test showed that the people doing the planting and doing the gardening had a lower heart rate, and their blood pressures were a lot lower. These people were fully relaxed as compared to the people behind the PC. So definitely, indoor plants, indoor gardening will help reduce your stress levels. So that's number 1. Number 2, it helps you to peak in your concentration. It helps you to actually focus. Now, again, a test was done, and with 3 categories of students. And, each of the classrooms had different. In fact, one of them had actual plants. The other two, one had a artificial plant, and the third had a picture of a plant. So they had some kind of a brain scan, and it came out that the people who had the real life plants in the classroom were able to concentrate a lot better. They were very attentive and grasped what the lecturers were saying a lot more better. So it's amazing what a little bit of green in a space can do. So that's number 2. Number 3, the therapeutic. Doctors actually recommend potted plants or doing some interior gardening to people who have anxiety issues or who are depressed. Yeah. So they are therapeutic, and doctors knew that. And then again, aside from being therapeutic, they also help the aid in speedy recovery. I mean, after surgery or somebody in a hospital bed, you're sick, you have a visual of greenery around you, you recover a lot quicker. And studies have shown that. Again, number 5, productivity boost. It's amazing. Productivity boost at the workplace just by introducing potted plants in an interior working environment. The test, again, another study revealed that people working in an environment with greens, it was actually a computer lab. Yes, it was a computer lab. The study was done, and they realized that the environment that they created helped the people to work 12% more. Quite amazing. I mean, 12%. That's a productivity boost by the introduction of potted plants. Number 6. I mean, I know you're probably going to say this is a stretch, but it actually helps in job satisfaction. Job satisfaction. Now, researchers interviewed roughly about 400 people that worked at Amazon, and they realized that people with plants in their offices expressed more job satisfaction than people who didn't have any. Oh yeah. People that had plants in the offices were naturally, they enjoyed what they're doing. I mean, they had job satisfaction, and the stress levels and everything will cool down. That's what it is. And the last one, number 7, it improves air quality. Oh yeah. Scientific evidence has shown that house plants freshen air naturally. And a shelter of a number of plants, the efficacy of a shelter of plants is equal to the purifying efficiency of a modern day biofilter. I'd like to repeat that again. The purifying effect of a shelter of plants is equal to the efficiency of a modern day biofilter. So folks, it just goes to tell you that indoor planting, it goes beyond interior design. Plants naturally take in carbon dioxide and emit oxygen. So naturally, plants help us to breathe a lot better. So this video is just to tell Ghanaians, and indeed everyone, that potted plants is healthier for you. So when the architect or interior designer proposes that you put a few plants here and there, it goes beyond just the visual aesthetic. The architect wants you to be healthier, so thank you all for watching this video, and if you have any questions or suggestions or anything that you want to say to the purple view, feel free to write it down in the column below, and also try and subscribe to this channel so we keep the information flow coming. Thank you for watching the Purple View. We'll talk to you again soon.